For my client, I made this video.
Finding handmade Easter chocolate is nearly impossible, but Days Treats in Mundelein is keeping the tradition alive.
Did you know planning an Easter surprise is super easy now? Just order your custom Easter treats from Days Treats in Mundelein. Order yours today before they're all sold out. It's 100% handmade, so you better hurry.
Here's the breakdown of this video. First, I nested this clip. If I double click it, you can see this video here. This one is living room set. I only masked inside of the TV and then I inverted the mask so that it shows the entire living room set. And then underneath I have these two graphics. So this news anchor is I made it on AI, and here's the B-roll of the place, and here's another clip, the egg shot that I did. And this one, it took me a while today. So here's what I did. I reversed the action and then I actually create these Easter treats on AI. Let me show you what I did. So this one, so when I go here and show in project, here's the original. And then I put this, I mask this, and then I put it on the top of the footage, and here is the video that I did all the masking manually. So I thought about using the AI masking movements, but then the words and the chocolate garnish couldn't really match the size. The movement of her hand wasn't very steady. The entire masking took me about 12 minutes. After that, this one I already created from the another video that I did. I just simply nested it, 3 clips, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, and then I just put it all together at the end. I hope this video really benefit you in terms of video editings, and if you have any questions, leave a comment or contact me. Hey, subscribe my channel, it really helps me to keep going. Happy editing, guys.